This is a bike check of my 2008 Eastern frame. See the cutouts on it and shit. Looks pretty clean. Kind of lower than most frames. That's what I found. But start off with the front here. I got some ODI long necks with Eastern nylons and hollow all the way through. Kink flexing bars, links bars, something like that. Can do with that cat. And then Shadow Conspiracy stem, but I got different plans for that. I got me a release stem by Kink, my favorite brand. But the only problem is I'm missing another one of these. So yeah, this bolt right here, these bolts, the distance between them actually fits this one. The reason why I got this one off a friend, so I can get this, cut it. It's already cut in half almost all the way. I just need to cut that little piece, grab one, put it on there, and grab the other, put it on there, unless I just want to run one, but it would look pretty gay. I heard a lot of bad reviews on this, and then I also heard a lot of good reviews. So I'm just gonna run it. If it doesn't work, then that sucks for me, but I'll find a new one. Stolen Vortex, pretty light. Got hollow bolts on these things. I don't know if you can tell. Cut my gyro piece of shit things off. I also cut these off because I ride street brakeless, big bars. Just the kind of guy I am. Cheap front rim, but pretty light compared to some other ones. Nitrous double shot. And got some Sunday forks, 2.1s. Got them for like 70 bucks on Dan's. And I got me a premium resist tire, folding, pretty good. Really high pressure right now. And what else do I got? Well, move on to the back. I got an E-Clat complex seat post, nylon, 175 millimeter. I got some Primo pedals. Just took off some pins and switched them over. They're getting pretty old. They hurt like a bitch though. And I got some Eastern Tribe cranks. Having a little bit of trouble with them because I need a spacer right here, and they keep coming loose, even though I have the compression caps on them. Still coming loose, so oh shit, hold on. There it is. And then I have a Medusa Light sprocket, which is broken in one spot right there. I don't know if you can tell. I also have a cheap chain with half links on it because I slammed it. And to the back rim I got a Demolition Ashley cassette laced to a Alienation 440 rim. Spokes are loose on it. I need to go get them tightened again, or I would do it, but every time I do it I fuck it up. I have to get it laced again. So yeah, that's my back end with the Fit 2.25 folding tire. Don't K, this is the K, FAFK folding tire. I don't get the 2.23. They're actually smaller. These gaps right here would actually be closer together and be more of them. It's kind of sucks, but I don't know. It depends what you like. No point of getting the 2.3 when you could just get the the smaller one of this one. I got the Demolition hub that came with it. Everything's sealed on this bike. Except for the top part is sealed, but I don't know what happened. Dan's comp fucked up. I don't know what they did. I don't really care either. They sent me an unsealed bottom one. I don't really care, but kind of sucks. It's the only thing on my bike that's not sealed. But the top one is, so it's weird. I have to use these forks. I actually had to like get the piece that goes on top right here and actually put it on top of my integrated one, which kind of fucked it up a little bit, but it's alright. I'm getting a new headset. And hollow axle. It's pretty good. Just running normal tubes. I used to run the Dance Comp Street and Trails, which is a good tube. Never popped on me, never flatted. Best tube I ever had, but this is pretty heavy. What else do I have? Custom, anything custom on the bike. I have my fork slammed. I cut them down. They were actually, I used to have spacers right here a lot, but I cut it down, cut the fork down, slammed it. Let's see what else. I used to run seat. I used to not run a seat because I didn't have a seat clamp. I didn't have the bolt for that, but I finally got one. What else is custom on this bike? What I'm gonna do it, the stem, cut that off and down on there. What else? A custom paint job, I guess you can call it. Slammed back wheel, or somewhat slammed. That's about it. Want to hear the sound of the cassette? Give me a second. Sounds alright. Nothing special. I used to have the Eastern one, bi-directional. It was way louder than that. Only because I think it had 6 Pauls chromoly. And best bars I ever had. I recommend these to everyone. They're 28.5. If you like big bars, yeah. 28.5 wide with the 8.25 rise. And they weigh 23 ounces. But if you don't want big bars, you can go ahead and get the Collination Holy bars, crossbars, I think that's them. Those are pretty nice, kind of short. My friend has them, pretty sick. I heard bad things about them though, but he says he has the B2s, so they're better. And sealed bottom bracket, bullshit. Sealed bearing, sealed hub. Bike weighs 20, I want to say around 20 to 21, maybe even lighter than that, because my friend got a new bike off Dance, weighed 23, my bike's lighter than it, and so, yeah, around 20. Upcoming parts, I want to get the 48 spline drive, I think Madeira. I'm going to get that sprocket, because I have my 48 splines. And that's about it. I'll show you a couple clips of me riding, and I guess that'll be it.
Rockstar lifestyle might not make it. President got him in the White House, make it. Look at the clock and it's it right now. Get a pound, break it down, blow it like trout. Turn it to the Dutchie, wine in my tall glass. Young money, baby, big shit like a horse ass. Stacks in my backpack, shades on, hat back. Bugatti back black, will they do that? South Beach, Miami, who? I'm probably with Tammy too. My life is a video and the women want their cameo. I just want them pantyhose and I'm higher than Geronimo. And I got them tools, tell them boys that could get mechanical. Now pop that pussy like a fofo. I turn you around and bend you over like a low blow. It's Young Money, baby. We the fucking greatest. We done put them other niggas on a hiatus. Beat your bitch with the pump if she denied data. Cause I'll serve